What makes our cells age? Every day, DNA inside our cells is under constant attack, from the environment, metabolism, even normal cell division. Broken strands, chemical changes, misplaced bases – this is DNA damage. Luckily, our cells have powerful repair systems. Like skilled mechanics, they scan, cut, and rebuild our genetic code. For a time, this balance works. Damage occurs, repairs are made, and cells carry on. But with age, repair slows while damage keeps accumulating. Imagine cracks spreading in the foundation of a house. Sooner or later, the structure weakens. This buildup of unrepaired DNA is now recognized as one of the hallmarks of aging. It drives cellular senescence, loss of tissue function, and age-related diseases. That's why measuring DNA damage and the efficiency of repair is becoming central to longevity research. If we can monitor these processes in real time, we can better understand biological age, predict health span, and evaluate interventions that aim to slow aging. At InterDNA, our mission is to provide the tools that make this possible. With technologies like Stride, we can directly detect and quantify DNA damage and repair activity inside cells, opening new paths for aging research and the development of therapies that support longer, healthier lives. To learn more, reach out or visit our profile.